to do Excel 1G regional sales assignment. I will do this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment ready, or you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel assignments, all the Word assignments, all the PowerPoint assignments, or all the Access assignments, you can contact me either through WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email is given in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is also showing in the bottom of the screen. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, programming assignments, and information technology. I have been doing courses for students since 2015, and you can hire me for your courses throughout your degree. And I guarantee A grade in your courses. So please contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and I will do your courses on reasonable prices. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment ready. So let's move to the instruction file. So title of the assignment is Excel 1G regional sales. Let's start with the description so that you can understand the assignment well. It is saying that all the instructions, so you can also download this from your prepare the retrospect theme for this document. And we are supposed to step number 2, and we are done with step. And we will be adding 3 cell styles. That is all. see that like this one, and we got the total. So step number 6 is select the northeast sales for the 4 quarters. These one, and then display the quick analysis gallery for the totals. Click the second sum option, the 6th item in the gallery, which display the column section in yellow. Copy the formula down through the cell F7. Recall that the quick analysis tool formatted the sums in totals. So now we are supposed to total these values here. First we total here. Now we are supposed to total for northeast, then southeast, then west. So first we are supposed to total these one, and we will go to the quick analysis and go to the totals. And now we are supposed to use this sum. That is the 6th one. And now we are supposed to copy this formula up to F7 like this one. And that is all required in step number 6. So we are done with 6 steps so far. And total steps to solve in this assignment are 16. Let me do step number 7 for you now. Apply the counting number format to the first row of the sales figure B4 up to F4, and then go to the total row B7 and F7. Apply the comma style to the remaining sales figure B5 up to F6. Format the total in row 7 B7 up to F7 with the total cell style. Increase the column width as needed. So now we are supposed to do number formatting in step number 7. And for this, first we will select the first range, that is B4 and F4, and we are supposed to apply the counting number format to these ranges. So let me select this range, and we are supposed to apply the counting number format to this range. And again go to the total, and we are supposed to select the second range. And again we are supposed to apply the counting number format. Now apply the comma style to the remaining sales. So now we are supposed to apply the comma styles. So we will select the remaining range and we will apply the comma styles from here. So now it is saying that format the total in row 7, that is B7 up to F7 with the total cell style, and increase the width, column width as needed. So now we will select the total range and we will go to the cell style, and we are supposed to apply the total to this range. And that is all required in step number 7. So we have completed 7 steps of this assignment. So next step is step number 8. So let me do that step for you now. So step number 8 is insert a new row 6 with the row title Midwest. So we are supposed to insert a new row 6. So I have inserted a new row and title should be Midwest. So I will type Midwest here, and now we are supposed to enter these values for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Copy the formula and cell F5 down to the cell F6, sum the new row. So this will be for quarter 1. I will copy it and I will paste in quarter 1. Then this is for quarter 2 and this will be for the quarter 3 and this will be for the quarter 4. And now finally we are supposed to copy the formula from F5 to the F6 and we will get the values like this one. So I have completed. So I have shown you 8 complete steps in this video. I started from step 1 and through step 8 I solved each and everything in those 8 steps. I explained these steps to you so that you can do those steps on your own. But for the remaining steps from step 9 to step 15, 16, that are just 6 steps. I am just going to show you the final version for this assignment so that you can get an idea about the remaining steps. So this will be the final version of this assignment when you will apply all the remaining steps. So as I told you earlier that if you want to do this assignment for you or if you want to do this complete course for you, you can contact me either through WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me through WhatsApp or email and have me to do this assignment for you or to do this complete course for you if you want to get A grade in this course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, marketing, finance, statistics, mathematics or writing assignments and programming assignments. So please have a look to this final version of this assignment. And I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video and comment to my video as well. Thank you so much again.